Did you try to test it? If you did test it, you probably tried to run out of food and it still took your money. Arg. What happened is we're pushing the food off of the uh, the ledge, but we're not taking it out of the array. So we need to get our current count. So basically, food items. Calculate calculate amount of food. -1, because that's the length of your array. So that index, the -1, is going to equal null. That should fix everything. Basically, we're taking the last item. So if we have 2 items, it's going to take index 1 out. So that means only index 0 will be left, and that means 1 item's left. So yeah, that's what we want to do. Let's go ahead and see if that worked. Okay, so I'm going to add $2, dispense 11. Another $1, dispense 11. Another $1, dispense 11. The moment of truth. I put $1.25 in the machine. There's no food in that slot. Is it going to charge me? Woo! I kept my $1.25. Now I can go ahead and get more food for me.